Hello everyone. Next, extraction of low reactive metals. Mercury, silver, platinum and gold. These are the very less reactive elements. Sorry, less reactive metals. So these low reactive or the less reactive, low reactive or less reactive metals are easily extracted from their respective ores. So especially they are available, they are accessed by oxides only. So the less reactive metals which are quite low, the activity series are extracted by the reduction of their oxides by heat alone. By heating directly we get their metals. So mercury is a metal produced from the sulfide ore called cinnabar, which is actually mercury sulfide. The extraction of mercury from cinnabar ore involves the following steps. So mercury sulfide. So this is called as cinnabar. This is called as cinnabar. Mercury to sulfide. So it is a sulfide ore. This sulfide ore is the concentrated ore is roasted. So involved in a roasting. What is roasting? Heating of sulfide ore strongly in the presence of air. So it gives mercury oxide plus sulfur dioxide. Mercury oxide plus sulfur dioxide. So write the equation correctly. 2 here, 4 or 3, 2 here and 2. So cinnabar is heated in the presence of oxygen strongly. The process we can call as roasting. So mercury oxide is formed. So this mercury oxide is heated. Then finally we get mercury. Hg plus O2 directly as a liquid. As we know, it is available as a liquid and it is a gas. It is a solid. That's it. So HZS, heat reduction. So by heating, this reduced into mercury as well oxygen. Similarly copper. So Cu2S in the presence of partial roasting. Already we discussed this partial roasting. So 3O2 are strongly heated. So we get CuO plus sulfur dioxide. 3O2 and Cu2S you get 4 of them. So Cu2CO plus sulfur dioxide gas is formed. Then this copper oxide heated, it forms Cu plus O2. So 2O2 here to C. Low reactive elements. This we already discussed this. This copper oxide is combined with leftover copper sulfide. It gives 2Cu plus SO2. 2Cu plus SO2. Cu2. 4Cu I think form. Right. Balance equation 2, 4 here, 6 here. 6. Sulfur 1, oxygen 2, sulfur dioxide. So in this way directly we get by heating. If it is available, low reactive metal available oxide forms. So by direct heating, we get metal. If it is available sulfide ores, this sulfide ores are reduced into oxides. Then these oxides are heated directly. Then finally we get metal. Finally we get metal. So we have discussed extraction of metals, highly reactive metals, low reactive metals, as well medium reactive metals. Then two steps are completed. One is concentration of ore, extraction of metal. Then the third process while extracting the metal is purification. How to or refining of metals. Refining of metals. Refining or purification. Refining or purification of metals. Refining or purification of metals.